Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. Somebody called me, very upset. They had a luxury vinyl plank floor installed in their kitchen and the whole installation exploded. We went out and inspected, and what do we find? Well, he had luxury vinyl plank put down in the kitchen, but then he installed cabinets on top of it. This is a rule. Break it at your peril. Don't ever install heavy cabinets on top of a floating floor, whether it's engineered wood or luxury vinyl plank. If the floor is floating, you cannot pin it down. If you pin it down, I'll almost guarantee that somewhere down the line the installation will fail and yes, the floor will explode. A word to the wise. Floating floor, install your cabinets first and make the arrangement for the floor to go up to it. You must never break this rule. Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.